In this video, you'll learn how to add bullet points in Google Keep on the web. If you like keeping your notes organized, making simple checklists, or breaking ideas into easy to scan lines, bullet points are a really handy tool. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to format your notes with bullets quickly and confidently. Let's start inside Google Keep on your computer. First, open a note where you want to use bullet points. This can be an existing note you've already created, or you can make a new one. It doesn't matter which, as long as you're viewing it in the web version of Google Keep in your browser. Once the note is open, click inside the note so your cursor is active and ready for typing. This tells Google Keep exactly where you want the bullets to appear. Now, move your cursor to the start of a new empty line. This step is important. Bullet formatting works best when you begin on a clean line, not in the middle of a sentence or next to other text. If you're not on a new line yet, just press Enter to jump down and create one. You should see your blinking cursor at the far left of that line, ready for the next step. To trigger a bullet point, you're going to use a simple keyboard shortcut. On that new line, type either an asterisk character, which looks like a small star, or a hyphen, which is just a small dash. So type either the star symbol or the dash as the very first character on the line. Don't type any other letters or symbols before it. Once you've typed your asterisk or hyphen, press the space bar one time. As soon as you hit the space bar, Google Keep will recognize that pattern and automatically convert it into a bullet point. You'll see the symbol change into a proper bullet, and your cursor will move slightly to the right, giving you a bit of space to start entering your text. That visual change is your confirmation that the formatting worked. Now you can type whatever you want for your bullet item. This might be a task, an idea, a short note, or anything else you want to include in your list. When you finish that line, press Enter. Google Keep will automatically add a new bullet on the next line and place your cursor there so you're ready to type the next item without doing anything extra. From here, you simply repeat the process of typing your text and pressing Enter. Each time you press Enter at the end of a bullet line, a new bullet will appear beneath it. This makes it very quick to build a full list, whether it's a to-do list, a set of reminders, or a series of points you want to remember. Your text is now formatted as bullet points automatically. You didn't have to click any special buttons or menus. It all happens from the simple combination of typing an asterisk or hyphen, followed by the space bar, and then pressing Enter at the end of each line. If you ever need to stop the bulleted list, just press Enter again on an empty bullet line, and you can go back to normal text. That's all it takes to add bullet points in Google Keep on the web and keep your notes clean, readable, and organized.